Hello guys, I have spent more than 8 months to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript fundamentals, and I have studied very basic fundamental concepts, and now I'm going to check my knowledge. So to check my knowledge, I'm going to uh, do this coding challenge, which says that reverse particular word. There are many videos on YouTube how to do this, but I didn't watch any of those videos because I wanted to check how my knowledge is all about. So I'm going to do it by my way. So let's do this. So text editor and the browser. Before doing all of that, I'm going to plan how I'm going to do this. So basically uh, basically I need like hello, and I'm going to do this by using uh, string methods, because this is a string, so I can use string methods on this. So um, let's see how we can do this. So we string, there's index starting from 0, like 0 1 2 3 4. So I want to change the order. I mean, I want to put the index number 4 to the first as a first character, and third and second and first and 0. Then it will become like this. So this is what we are going to do that. So how I am going to do this? What kind of method I can use to get the order like this? Let's say I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the length of this string using length property. This will return me because, and I'm going to do is I'm going to use another property called char at. This is a string method, and we can pass value in value into this, like a number. It represents the index number. So if we put a number into this, like 0, maybe 1, it's gonna get example. I'm gonna put a 0 in this, and it will return this character. So that's what it does. So to do this, I'm going to use this and these methods. Okay, let's jump into code editor. Now I'm going to create a showing page. I'm going to give it some name. And script. have to do my Gmail page and let's save this, and I'm going to open in this live server, and I'm going to open console so we can see what's going on, right? Now first I'm going to create some string. This hello. So this is the string we are going to reverse. Okay. So like I said, I'm going to use length property. This will return how many characters in this string have. You can check, guys. See, you can it return 5 because this string has 5. So I'm not a fast learner. I'm not a genius. Okay, I'm a slow learner, and I do things slowly. So how I'm going to do this? It looks simple, but it looks like it's hard. So what I can do to reverse this word? There is no special method to reverse this string in a string object. So we have to do it by using plain JavaScript and with few methods of string object. So like I said before, I'm going to use this string object. Sorry, it's a method char at. Sorry. Char at. This has 5 characters. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I put number 4 in here, it's gonna return 0. So, sorry, O, letter O. So if we can do this by a few times like 3, 1, sorry, 2, 1, 0, it will return this, and we can concatenate it into we can concatenate those characters into a variable, and we can display it. So how are we going to do this? I think we have to use a loop, like we can put some kind of variable in this, and we can loop through few times, like increment. So 0, and this loop is going to iterate according to the length of this string. So I'm going to use str.length and increment. Alright. So like like this. So I'm gonna delete this. It's not, I is not defined. What's that? Oh god. Okay. Oh, look at that. What's this? So I'm gonna do this as well. Now you can see it's the first time it iterate, it gives 0 means H. So I want here number 4, not 0, number 4 means O. So how I'm going to do that? So how I decide number 4 right here? How we add length? What is this? It return number 5. Number 5. Nothing. Oh, I see. So 0. This return number 5, but there's no character in position number 5, so it gives empty. So this -1. Oh, it gives all. It gives all 5 times. Why it gives 5 times? Oh, this is not gonna change. So every time this iterate, this always will be 4. That's why we get O for 5 times. So I want this to be decrement 1 by 1. How about we put this into a variable? Let's get count and this gives number 5. So I just want to check this. I just want to check this. So I don't want this. All right. Instead of this, I'm going to use count. It returns the same thing. So I want to decrement this after this statement. I want to decrement. Say count equal count -1. Oh, I think this is gonna work. Yeah. So instead of logging console out, we can use a variable to hold those characters. So I will create another variable is message, empty variable, empty string, yeah. So still add message, and we're gonna concatenate this, right? Let's do add this count -1. And then after that uh, we can log it out to the console, check what is in there. Oh, it's work, yeah man, it's work. So I want to add this to page. What I'm going to do is create a element. Let's say let's create a div called, what we call this test. Okay, and I'm going to take a reference to this. Let what we call test payment dot where is selector and this what test. Okay, and uh, I'm going to put the message into page. So what I'm going to use, let's use inner text and message. Oh, this works. I'm going to put all of this into a function because so we can call it we can pass many different words. So let's create a function. Let's reverse string. Let's pass this as a parameter, and I don't want this. I'm going to put all this inside this function. Okay, minus. All is fine, and now I don't need this. Okay, so I'm gonna call that function reverse strings, and I'm gonna pass another hello. Oh, I'm gonna pass another like my name. Let's see. Let's put some space to see is it going to work. How are you? This guys, I just wanted to show you the difficulties I face like a absolute beginner into code, into JavaScript. So after this I'm going to check how other guys have done this same challenge, and I'm going to compare what are the missing parts of my code, and I'm going to improve myself. So thanks guys, thank you very much.